welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to tackle 3 words that may be a little tricky to pronounce. First up, we have this word which is pronounced as Bombogenesis. Bombogenesis. This word might sound like a science experiment gone wrong, but it's actually a meteorological term. It refers to the rapid strengthening of a low-pressure system. So next time you hear a weatherman talking about a bomb going off, don't be alarmed. He's just talking about a really intense storm. Here is a sentence example. Bombogenesis can happen when a cold air mass collides with a warm air mass. Next, this word is pronounced as scramble. Scramble. This word sounds like it could mean a lot of things, but in this case, it's a verb that means to hurry and get things organized quickly. Imagine you're running late for a meeting and you have to scramble to get all your papers together. That's exactly what this word means. Here is a sentence example. Zip the bag shut and squish the eggs around to scramble them. Lastly, this word is pronounced as litigation. Litigation. This word sounds like it could be some kind of complicated procedure, but it's actually a legal term. It refers to the process of taking someone to court and suing them. So next time you hear someone talking about litigation, they are not talking about a medical procedure. They are talking about taking legal action. Here is a sentence example. Some business disputes require litigation. Well, that's all for today. Remember, big words don't have to be intimidating. Just approach them with a playful attitude and you will be pronouncing them like a pro in no time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and see you next time, folks.